state park hike. You see how beautiful it is? Kind of do a 360 here. So it's really, really pretty and peaceful. And I had to get out here today because RBG passed away last night, and I'm feeling heartbroken, and I'm feeling defeated. And knowing what the Republicans can do with that Supreme Court really has me worried and scared. So when I'm feeling like that, the best thing for me to do is to get out here in nature, to recharge and refuel. Kind of gives me hope and revival. So I just wanted to check in and say hi and share this beautiful part of the world with you. Hang in there, guys. Ciao. About a 4-mile hike all through these woods you see behind me, and I hiked down this huge hill. It was very steep. It was kind of scary because the rocks were rolling underneath me. So I hiked down that huge hill to find this little, let me show you, this sweet little picnic spot. So I brought my traveling yoga mat, and I have apple, water, peanuts, and pretzels. So I figured this is a great space to just stop and have a picnic and refuel, and here's the best view. So beautiful. So peaceful. I just can't believe there is nobody out here. So I'm going to enjoy my small lunch, snack, whatever you want to call it, and this peaceful time